So I don't know if any of you have ever seen this film. If you're a certain age, like me, you probably remember this. I think the first time I saw it was on Sunday afternoons. It used to happen in those days. Got Alec Guinness, Jack Hawkins, Anthony Steele, Flora Robson, and it's basically the story of Alec Guinness as an RAF pilot who ends up in Malta, does photo reconnaissance work, trying to get the glare off this, and falls in love with a young girl, and it's the story of his stay on Malta, and there's lots of footage in this film of the Spitfires that were on Malta during the war, which has led me to do a bit more research. So the Malta Story, yeah, we're going to have to build some Spitfires, or a Spitfire. The trouble is, which one do we build? So start with this one. This is oh, bit of glare there. This is Airfix 148 Mark 5B, and in it you have the option to build the tropical version, and on the underside here it has underside. This is the side. On the side here, we have an option there to build a Spitfire that was based at Takali in Malta in March of 1942. Airfix. These Spitfires go together really nicely, so that's one option. The other option that we have is this kit by Special Hobby. It's Supermarine 5C, and this is actually oh, try and get the glare out of the way, Malta Defenders, and it has options in here which I've already gone through to build 4 different aircraft that are, one, interestingly coloured, and are all models that were based in Malta. That's those, and of course the other option is the old. I say old. This is obviously the Tamiya Mark 5 tropical version. And although this doesn't have specifically the markings for an aircraft in Malta, that wouldn't necessarily be an issue, because we could use aftermarket decals and mark it up appropriately. So, which one to build? So, having looked through the stash of models, I thought I'd have a little dig through what I've got in terms of aftermarket parts. So I've got three camouflage schemes. These are really quite useful, but once you've done one, you can sort of copy it and reuse it. I've got a nice set of seat belts for Mark 5s. This from HGW. Brilliant cloth and etch harnesses, they come up really well. And also I've got a set of extra decal 48 Mark 5 B and C. That's got a couple of interesting colour schemes on there, and that one there, UFP, is also a Malta based aircraft. So I've got the decals there. I've got the 5B aftermarket etch set for the Tamiya Spitfire. What's this? This is the masking set for the special hobby, and some more Mark 5B camouflage schemes, including quite a few there for Malta. And also what we've got here, this is the Mark 5B big edge set for the Tamiya. Includes the landing flaps. It's got, what's it got in there? It's got the landing flaps, I know that. Yeah, so we've got the cockpit detail in there. That'd be interesting, and see whether or not that cockpit detail fits one of the other kits. It's got a masking set and it's got the flaps. So the Tamiya one, if I build that, I think I'll build it with the flaps down, which would be interesting. I don't normally do that, but that would be something nice to do. I believe, I'm going to have a check, but I believe that the Tamiya one has a pilot in it. So I think the Tamiya one, if I build that one, get that back together, will have to be on the ground with the flaps down. So yeah, so no, it now really is which Spitfire to build, and I think once I work that out, come back to you with another video. So watch out for the next video. Malta Spitfires is one of them, coming to you soon. Cheers for watching. Please leave your comments, like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.